Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Iced Coca-Cola Spicy Cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug from this mini mel bowl. And then put in the tea bag, you fill it up, go like this to the tea if you have to make it more dark. Go ahead here, add some Coca-Cola, and then go over to the refrigerator and fill up the water till it reaches, and that's good. And then there you go, folks. Here is your iced Coca-Cola spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Peace and prosper, and also have a good summer. Thank you.